Dun, 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 dun. Bum, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. Good morning. Today for some reason, I went to sleep around 11:30ish. I had a myriad of different things to do, and a five, like around 5:20, I just jumped from my bed, and I couldn't fall back to sleep. Like I was like full of energy for some reason, like pumped. And I was like, holy shit, bro! I did it like fucking. I did what I needed to do early. I've been watching the charts for since like 8:30 or so. Just having a little bit of time to myself, and I feel good. I mean, I feel good, man. I feel good. Uh, that doesn't usually happen, but I mean, we'll take it. The drive and the passion. That's what it is. Yee. The coffee felt amazing today. I mean, we'll take it. Uh, what am I looking for today? I am looking for higher prices. I'm looking for higher prices as of now. I'm looking for higher prices as of now. Dun dun dun. We have right up here all of this generated by sell liquidity. We have a high right up here. We have a high right here. A high right here. I'm anticipating price to have some sort of retracement inside of it. And we are going deep. We're inside of this 4 hour Bessie. Uh, I see all of this stuff right here as Candyland. Chambonea tus almas para matarme y aniquilarme. Y al tenerme de frente no son tan hombres para tirarme, no, no. Me he visto infrarrojo sobre mi cuerpo colocado, yeah. Dispararme, no sé por qué. Tiemblan sus manos, caminando por el sendero del egoísmo, donde personas se hacen daño hasta sí mismos. Cito yo, peleando estas batallas. Hey, no sé si así sigue la música, but hey, who gives a shit? Ignoro la forma de que ustedes me ofenden, critican, comentan. ¿Me entienden? Que si habla mierda de mí, no es a novela, la manera en que van a subir. Chambonea tus almas. All right, so waiting for market to open. I'm kind of early, if you want me to be honest. I just thought of the stream a little early because I woke up early. I mean, every day I wake up early, but today I ended up waking up more earlier than usual, which I don't know what happened there, but it is what it is. So, mm, where can I anticipate some sort of where price could easily, if we're gonna go higher, easily find some sort of resistance inside of these SIBIs right up here. Because we have all of this back and forth right up here, and then we have this huge displacement right up here. So this is lacking buy side delivery. So, and it's also above premium of the current dealing range that we have right here. So from that high to this low above premium, we could anticipate price to get into that. It's gonna be my anticipation. Me envenena que hay un grupo de ignorantes, pero pa'lante. Ahora voy a ponerlo claro a todos. Me hicieron, oh, que mamá y papá, que estoy solo, que en el medio no hay maná. Y sin canciones no tienen sentido, dicen que son positivos. Para criticar mi flow, mi letra. Te juro que me molestan que me llamen merenguero de calle. Mambo callejero, sabiendo que yo soy diferente. Tengo letra, melodía, música que suma. No me compare con ningún mamero, con ningún rapero. Yeah. Um, no, this is gonna be an influential buy sell liquidity pool because when we go into the 50-minute SIBI, I mean 15-minute time frame, we have a SIBI right up here. So we could easily 9:30 opens low, shift the market structure, goes into the SIBI, goes lower one more time, forms some reversal, go towards the buy sell liquidity pool. Watch. I'm gonna take these lines because I already know we are inside of that busy. I like to keep my charts clean. Don't like to have. I can do this as well. Hourly SIBI buy sell liquidity. So the high is also an hourly SIBI. You know. It's like one of the things. Oh, why are you going long in there or short, whatever it is? Is that there's a myriad of different things that I'm looking at, but I just don't like put it in. Like I don't put it in the chart. It's like okay, this is right here. That's right there. I'm looking for this and that. Da, 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 da. See how clean this stuff looks. Why am I looking for higher prices? It's like I mean, look at the damage that we've done towards the downside. Relatively equal lows, bam. And when we took this relatively equal lows, we did no damage right here. So this is retail traders' idea that we have strong resistance. Even when we went higher right here, we failed to even take this one. And then went lower one more time, slamming below this liquidity pool. So now that we're here, it's like we grabbed all this liquidity down here. And if smart money wants to counterparty their positions, where it's going to be buy orders and stop loss, they're going to be right up here. So it makes sense for them to want to slam it higher for there to counterparty their long position that they accumulated down here. Now the market seems pretty weak, and I'm not again not today either. Not anticipating a full-on reversal. If I'm able to catch 50 to 60 handles today, that's completely and utterly fine with me. I'm gonna try to expand my uncomfortability today. If the market maker model is gonna happen, I'm gonna try to leave a contract on and pay attention to it and whatever it is. But let's see how that goes. Let's see how all of that goes. If we take a winning trade and losing trade, we'll see at the end of the live stream. If we trade at all, if the model presents itself, let's just be patient. No me compare con ningún mambero. Um, I just wanna, yeah. And in 30 minutes, so the open range is from 9:30 to 10. The first 30 minutes of market open. Once that's done, we're gonna create a SIBI for our SIBI. And even though that it looks kind of bearish, we might want to look below this low. I'm anticipating a low retracement, and we can have a deep retracement when this CB gets created, and that's I mean 200 handles, 200 handles, a retracement, you know. But let's see, and that's what when it clicked to me when I had the like the mark the market paradigm shift where it was like, oh, it looks bearish, but like let's really go deep. And I'm not saying when I say this stuff, the market we need to understand the market can do whatever it wants, but what's higher probability now? to happen. We could easily 9:30 open and never ever go above here and just shut the bed and go 1,000 points lower. But the what makes more sense? What makes more sense is like if there's an algorithm controlling the market and the market is not random, which is absolutely and utterly not. It's impossible to be. We took the sell side, like everybody's going short. Like the moment we break below this low, everybody just going short. Put in a short right here, and let's see if they're trying to trade long term. Put in their stop loss above short term highs, above here, above here, above here, because they think it's safe. So we need to understand that when smart money is going in, they're not going with two contracts. They're going with millions upon millions of fucking dollars, and for them to be able to use a counterparty to that, they have to have a. Am I talking too much? Bro, I swear to God, bro. Yo, this is crazy. Like this is not real. The world is not real. The world is a simulation, my friend. But going back to the point. Yeah, so when it's here, it's like when retail trader is going short, they're going long and using all that liquidity because they can't go long the same way that retail is going long because there's not going to be enough willing buyers or sellers depending on the program that they're going to be on. So like every single fluctuation that in the market happens, it's designed to benefit those who create the rules. And hear me out. You trading this way, you might get it wrong. You might lose a trade. You might lose consecutive trade. But you know who fault is that? Your fault. And I'm telling this to myself because I take losing trades. I take losing trade from time to time. And it's not that the algorithm fault. It's not the market's fault. It's not your Schmo fault. It is my fault that I ended up reading the market completely and utterly wrong, if that makes sense. So when I get it wrong, it's because I got it wrong and not because, oh, the algorithm is not working and none of this stuff. You got it wrong, my friend. And eh, you have to accept that reality. Hold on, there's a lot of volatility. Like this one candle is 73 handles. Let's let's be careful with that. Okay. Mm-hmm. And probably going to. I'm not interested in longs yet. We're probably, I know there's a chance that we might just go higher and go towards the random level that I outlined beforehand. But as of now, I'm not trusting anything. Let's see what we want to do. Mm-hmm. Not interested in longs yet at all. Mhm. And also, one of the things, when I got to the point where I was okay with missing a trade, when you understand that there's no reason for you to feel afraid of it, of missing a single trade, that's the best peace of mind that you can ever have. It's like this could easily just go, and it is what it is. The market will be here tomorrow, and that's a fact. And look what we did once again. More liquidity, more idea to retail that this is strong resistance. This ain't strong resistance. This is Candyland to me. To me, that's how I see it. So I would anticipate this to be a mitigation block. If we get above this high and we create a busy, I'm gonna try to go short. Ah, no, not short, long, because I'm looking for all this generated by sell liquidity. I'm gonna have to go pretty light on it because the risk is crazy. So if we come back into it, I will look to go long. It has to come back to it. And I'm anticipating the low hanging fruit to get taken if it happens. I'll be back. Oh, I'm back. And also, one of the reasons why I'm giving it enough space, it's because a 945, I believe, PMI. Yo, one thing that I noticed is that on TradingView, my trade went straight into it. Like no delay, no nothing. It was just bam, instant. That's good. TradingView is improving. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how long I've been doing this. You just feel that weird feeling in the middle of your chest. It doesn't matter how many times I show up to the short. It doesn't matter how long I've been doing it. This is a real feeling, bruh. I promise you. I just promise you, bro. Like it doesn't matter how long I do it. For some reason, you think as a trader, once you get really like decent at it, and you've seen it so many times happening, you'll be like, yeah, it is what it is. I know that. But for me, I've been doing this for years, and that weird feeling. We can take a partial there. That's 300 ticks. I mean, if it still keeps going higher, it's fine. If I see it retracing a little bit, that's completely fine. But I'm taking a partial. You know, we are in premium conditions right now. partials never hurt. So if we create this busy right up here, I want to see this one get supported. So I'm taking a partial right there, moving my stop loss to this low right in here. We should not go lower below this low at all. We should stay inside of this busy right up here, especially the upper portion of it, and skyrocket to this high. Like, and to me, is what's the word? It's outstanding. Like I consciously, you know what really got better? It improved a lot. Me, that's what separates the I guess the good trader from the bad trader. It's not the profitable or the unprofitable. The only difference between those two is how you manage those emotions. Because before, I felt the same thing, but I acted upon it. Like right now, all I want to do is close the trade. And I used to close the trade, but now as I'm more experienced, I'm like, okay, I feel a little bit uncomfortable. Let me take some partials at a, because I did not take a partial at a random level. Why did I take a partial there, and why are we wicking through? CB right up here. So I'm looking at all those things, and that's just what it is. But just it's a weird thing. It's a weird feeling. Very weird feeling. Stop loss at break even. How much am I up? That's decent. Imagine we leave those relatively equal highs. You saw what happened? Yesterday, was it yesterday? When was it? Where is it? Where is it? This is where it likes to play around. This is where it likes to play around, bro. I swear to God. When was it where we literally left those equal highs, bro? Oh, what the fuck? Oh shit! yeah. Okay. Well, that's the trade, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, wasn't the shit that I said? Wasn't the shit that I said before market even opens? Wasn't the shit that I said? It's not even saying it, but executing. That's the real shit. But again, Icarus. It's not even 10 a.m. Let's go back to the drawing board. See the things that must be improved. And Jesus Christ, this is incredible. Uh, yeah, yeah. That was the stream. Let me get the fuck out of here.